Hello, students. Today we'll learn the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters from A to Z. Let's start with the pronunciation of each letter. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's learn each letter with example words. A, as in apple. I like to eat an apple every day. B, as in banana. Bananas are yellow and sweet. C, as in cat. The cat is sleeping. D, as in dog. The dog is running in the park. E, as in elephant. The elephant is the largest land animal. F, as in fish. The fish is swimming in the pond. G, as in girl. The girl is reading a book. H, as in house. My house has a big garden. I, as in ice cream. I love chocolate ice cream. J, as in juice. Orange juice is healthy. K, as in kangaroo. The kangaroo jumps very high. L, as in lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. M, as in monkey. The monkey is climbing a tree. N, as in notebook. I write in my notebook every day. O, as in orange. The orange is full of vitamin C. P, as in pen. I use a pen to write letters. Q, as in queen. The queen lives in a big palace. R, as in rabbit. The rabbit is very fast. S, as in sun. The sun is shining brightly. T, as in tiger. The tiger is a strong animal. U, as in umbrella. I use an umbrella when it rains. V, as in violin. She plays the violin beautifully. W, as in watermelon. Watermelon is my favorite fruit. X, as in xylophone. The xylophone makes a nice sound. Y, as in yellow. The sunflowers are yellow. Z, as in zebra. The zebra has black and white stripes. Excellent. Now let's sing the alphabet song together. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? Great job, everyone. You've learned the English alphabet. Now let's understand why some letters change their sound in different words. The letter C can sound like S's in words like city. The city is very big. Or like in words like cat. The cat is sleeping. The letter G can sound like G in words like giraffe. The giraffe has a long neck. Or like G in goat. The goat is eating grass. The letters can sound like Z's in words like roses. The roses are red. But like in sun. The sun is shining. The letter X can sound like Z's in words like xylophone. The xylophone makes a nice sound. Or like in box. The box is heavy. The letter E can sound like E in yellow. The yellow car is fast. Or like I in gym. I go to the gym every morning. Understanding these variations will help you improve your pronunciation. Keep practicing.